Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about the latest off-campus hirings that are currently going on in different companies. If you are new to the channel and have not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel as we regularly post job recruitment related videos on our channel. Also we upload interview preparation related videos on our channel. So if you have not subscribed to the channel yet and not checked the playlist section of our channel yet, please go ahead and check it. Moving on with our today's recruitment, which is from the NTPC. So NTPC is currently hiring. Let's see, the number of posts that are present is 864. Qualifications required are full-time bachelor's degree in engineering and technology with not less than 65% marks as per the institute norms. 55% for SC, ST, PWBD candidates. Candidate must have appeared for GATE exam, that is GATE 2022. A candidate with prescribed degree in identified disciplines given below can only apply for the post of EET in the respective discipline. So you must have some degree in, if you have electrical engineering, then your degree should be electrical and electronics, electrical instrumentation and control, power systems and high voltage power electronics. If you have done mechanical engineering, you should have one of these degrees. If you have done electronics engineering, you should have one of these. If you have done bachelor's in instrumentation engineering, you should have degree in this. If you have done civil engineering, you should have degree in one of these. If you have done mining, then you must have a bachelor's degree from mining. Let's go ahead and look for the age limit. So upper age limit for general or EWS is 27 years, and on last date of online application, age relaxation for SC, ST, OBC, PWBD, XSM candidates applicable as per the government guidelines. Selection process is candidates must have appeared for the GATE exam. Candidates will be selected based on the GATE 2022 scorecard. You will get the application link in the description of this video. You can go ahead and apply for it. So this is the official site where you can apply. Moving ahead with our next recruitment, which is from Baker Hughes. So Baker Hughes is currently hiring an early career program Aspire Engineering and Technology in India for the batch of 2023, and the location is Mumbai, Maharashtra. Let's go ahead and read the qualifications. So have a bachelor's degree in software engineering, technology, computer science or similar, knowledge of software and coding languages such as C# and Java, have a minimum of 3 GPA and a scale of 4 on a scale of 4, graduate from bachelor's degree within the last 36 months, be fluent in written and speaking, be inquisitive and outwardly present a thirst for more knowledge, be geographically mobile, means you can be asked to relocate to several positions, be legally entitled to work within a country in which you are applying for, which is India. So you can go ahead and read the entire job description, and in order to apply for it, you just need to click on apply now and fill your basic details. Moving ahead with our next recruitment, which is from Walmart. So Walmart is currently hiring for the role of technology service engineer. You can see the responsibilities. Let's go ahead and read the qualifications required for it. So you must have BE, BTech, MS, MTech, MCA, MBA with around 0 to 2 years of experience in Hyperion or any reporting tool. VB.NET scripting experience or S-based calculation expertise is mandatory. Hands-on experience with SQL servers and RDBMS. Experience in implementing scalable solutions. Experience on working with agile delivery is essential. Experience working in global teams. So if you have all this experience, you can apply for it. So currently hiring for all these companies are going on, and if you have not applied for it yet, please go ahead and apply for it. The next job recruitment is for the role of data engineer from Amazon. So you can go ahead and read the job description. Let's read the basic qualifications that are required for this job. Candidate must be in their final year or bachelor's or master's in computer science or engineering or related field, hands-on experience in SQL, hands-on experience in languages like Python, etc. Knowledge of RDBMS with big data, NoSQL, ETL and data warehousing concepts. Candidate must have good written and oral communication skills, be a fast learner and have the ability to adapt quickly to a fast-paced environment. Preferred qualifications are hands-on experience with AWS technologies, knowledge of software engineering best practices, knowledge of cloud services, knowledge of different reporting tools, sharp problem-solving skills and ability to resolve ambiguous requirements. So in order to apply for it, you just need to click on apply now button and you have to fill your details, and you will get the further discussions on your email ID. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe for it in order to watch such videos. Thanks for watching. If you have not followed us on Instagram yet, please follow, as we regularly post updates on our Instagram channel. You can also ask your doubts in the DM section. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our Telegram channel, please go ahead and subscribe to it. You will get the links in the description box.